How to add real book effects to your PDF with Publu. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to make your PDF look and feel just like a real printed publication. To get started, sign into your Publu account and open your control panel. Then, click the Customize button next to your flipbook. Inside the editor, go to the Preferences tab. This is where almost all the realism-enhancing effects are located. Let's go through a few of them. First, the page turn effect. Publu automatically adds the flip page animation when you upload your PDF. You can change it to the card or slide effect, but let's stick with flip for now. Each time a reader turns the page, the flipbook responds with a smooth, natural motion, just like flipping through a real book or magazine. And if you want to make your publication look even more authentic, you can enable the hardcover option. This adds a solid, book-like front and back cover, giving your flipbook the appearance of a premium, professionally bound publication. Next, let's look at page shadows. These shadows appear between facing pages and create the depth you'd expect from a physical bound book. You can turn this effect on or off anytime. Now take a look at flipbook thickness. This feature adds a visible stack of pages to your publication, making it look more like an actual printed volume. It works especially well for flipbooks with more than 10 pages. You can also enable corner curl, a small curved triangle at the top right corner of a page. It simulates the look of a physical page being lifted, giving your readers the sense that they can grab and turn the page naturally. And now, the final touch, the page flipping sound. This subtle paper rustling sound brings your PDF to life. It's enabled by default, but you can switch it on or off using the audio icon or through the menu. Remember to click Save after making any changes in the editor. With realistic page flips, shadows, thickness, and natural page-turning sound, your Publu flipbook will feel more lifelike than ever. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check our full help guide at publu.com.